Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to test chlorine with a Taylor test kit. First, gather your Taylor test kit, which typically includes a comparator tube, DPD powder, and FASDPD titrating reagent. Accurate testing is crucial for maintaining healthy water, preventing issues like cloudy water or skin irritation. This method provides precise readings, helping you keep your pool or spa perfectly balanced for enjoyment. To measure free chlorine, begin by filling your comparator tube to the 25 milliliter line with your water sample. Next, add 2 dippers of DPD powder and gently swirl until it fully dissolves. The sample should turn pink if chlorine is present. Then, add the FASDPD titrating reagent, drop by drop, swirling after each, until the pink color completely vanishes. Multiply the total drops used by 0.2 to get your free chlorine reading in parts per million. Now, let's determine your combined chlorine. Using the same sample from your free chlorine test, add 5 drops of R0003 reagent and swirl to mix thoroughly. If combined chlorine is present, the sample will turn pink again. Continue adding the FASDPD titrating reagent, drop by drop, swirling until the pink color disappears once more. Multiply these drops by 0.2 to find your combined chlorine level in parts per million. Understanding your results is key to healthy water. Ideally, your free chlorine should be between 1 and 3 parts per million. Combined chlorine should be very low, ideally 0.2 parts per million or less, as higher levels can cause irritation. Your total chlorine is simply the sum of your free and combined readings. Use these numbers to make informed adjustments, ensuring your water remains clean, clear, and safe for everyone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.